Now the new one came packed into this box. With a set of instructions, pretty clear, but I always look for YouTube videos for people that did it and for a good tutorial to see hands-on, and here it is. This is how it looks like. Has a nice little pop and lock inside there. Comparison. A little smaller handle here. Obviously you have the lock. You got the camera hole. And the back side, you see this plate a little bigger. Not much of a difference. Actually, the color it's a little different, so the plastic, I guess, is a little different material, a little more coarse on this one, as you can hear, compared to this one. So let's go ahead and put it in. See what the little gasket is. Actually, the new one, instead of 1, 2, whatever, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins for this gasket, has only like 3. I'm not sure if it needs all of them. I guess it's enough. Oh, I guess it goes the other way. Just the 3 pins, and you have the little hooks here. When you take it out, just make sure you know about those 2 clips in here, that hook, and there's a couple of things in here that pull in. Just see them. Pull the camera cap off. Oh, not a very tight fit. Goes right in. Next, the camera. There's not much wiggle room to adjust, so I guess you could a little bit. Just gonna try to put it one way all the way. That was that. Now we're putting the rods back in. And let's get a key and lock it. It's key. Now it operates. Lock it. Now that should do it. Just have to replace the cap back over. Just reverse step, make sure you pay attention. There's this screws right here is a different size, bigger. Separate them, put it back in, and that's all that is to it. Very easy. You don't have to be a mechanic to put that in. I think anyone can do it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.